In today's video, I am going to teach you how to wrap text around image in Constant Contact form. Start by making sure you are in the Constant Contact editor and you have the layout or template open that includes the content you want to work with. The key to wrapping text around an image is that the image needs to live inside a text block, not in a separate image block on its own. First, add a text block to your layout if you do not already have one. Then click into that text block and confirm it contains the paragraph or message you want to appear alongside the image. It helps if there is enough text for the wrap effect to be obvious, so a short headline and at least a few lines of body text works well. Next, go to the Images tab on the left side of the editor. Find the image you want to use. Click and hold on that image, then drag it directly into the text block that contains your content. Move slowly as you drag, so you can see the placement indicators clearly. As you hover over the text block, watch closely for a faint pink square to appear. This pink box will show up in either the top left corner or the top right corner of the text block, depending on where you are aiming. That pink square is your confirmation that the editor is ready to insert the image in a way that allows text to flow around it, rather than pushing the text above or below. When you see the pink box appear in the corner you prefer, release your mouse to drop the image. Once you let go, the image will snap into place and the text should automatically wrap around it. If the image lands in the wrong corner, simply click and drag it again within the text block and aim for the other side until you see that pink square in the correct corner. Finally, resize the image for better wrapping. Click the image and use the drag handle to make it smaller. A slightly smaller image creates more room for the text to sit beside it, and it makes the wrap effect look cleaner and more intentional. Adjust the size gradually until the text spacing looks balanced and easy to read. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.